In front of me is Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper right here, and here click on choose new wallpaper. And right here you can pick one from your own photos. Here you've got the whole albums like screenshots, selfies, recents, all photos obviously. Then you can also pick one from the dynamic or stills wallpaper, and let me pick stills and smoothly pick the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. Let me choose for example this one, and if you like the perspective just click on set. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both, and I will pick both. And now you can see it on your wallpaper. It has been already changed and is the same with your lock screen. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.